Little baby cat. Say hello. He's so black you can't even see him. Oh, look, it's a little Halloween cat. Okay, go. Welcome back, everyone.
Look at what you've done. Stand still.
Welcome back to Uma's home. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. I'm so excited today because of what I have to share. But because I just received the box. But I just want to do a little chit chat, first of all. So, how's everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is in good health. I'm feeling a lot better, as you can tell. And I'm mostly happy because today is Saturday. Don't ask me what day it is. I think it's never mind. You know I'm not good with my days. But today is Saturday, and I am off this Monday for Veterans Day, and I just wanted to thank anyone out there who served our country. Thank you. Thank you for serving our country from the bottom of my heart. I know not everyone appreciates it, but a lot do. Thank you. Okay, now that I got that out there, I also wanted to talk a little bit about, because someone asked me regarding a video that I uploaded, I think like maybe 3 or 4 videos ago. Anyway, it's the video where I went to Eastern State Penitentiary. I was on a little vacay. So in that video, the Hubs and I went to, we were in Atlantic City. And then we drove, that was all the same day. And then we drove to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, which is only an hour away. I think I mentioned that already. It's only an hour away. And because he knows that I really wanted to go. I've always been wanting to go to Eastern State Penitentiary. So we went to the penitentiary, and someone made a comment regarding the video that I uploaded. Now, there are 2 scenes in that video. And the timestamps, I do believe, are 4 minutes and 42. So it's 4:42 and 4:45 where you see blank screens. So you'll see one black blank screen and one white blank screen. Now let me explain. That was not an error. I don't know if I've told you this before, but I'm going to put it out there again because someone asked. Now, the black blank screen, which is the first screen that you see, was a picture that let me tell you something. It was a cell. It was one of the cells. I tried taking a picture of that cell 5 times. I'm not even lying. I'm not lying. That was the very first cell that I tried to take a picture of. And let me tell you, I stood there like a crazy person trying to mess with my camera and the lighting to try to make that picture come out. It would not come out. I mean, I did the night vision. I brightened up I did everything possible, all angles, everything from I look like a crazy person, but I'm telling you, 5 times, and that picture came out like that. Now, the very next cell right next to it, which is the white screen, the same thing happened, but that one came out completely white. And I only tried like 3 times because I was like, okay, there must be a reason why these pictures do not want to come out, okay? So I left it alone. I only did 3 times, and it came out like that all 3 times. So every single time that I tried, they would come out the same. People, the same, okay? So that was not an error. I just, put that incorporated that in the video. So now I'm explaining, so now you understand, person out there who did not understand why I put, okay. So now you got it? Now you got it. So let me tell you something. That place was, and this was about, 3 weeks ago that we went to, that we were in Eastern State. I think it was about 3 weeks ago. Anyway, it was about the end. No, it was probably more, like almost about a month. It was because I think it was the end of September that we went there. Anyway, I had a wonderful time. That place is definitely have some kind of activity going on. It's haunted. I know, because I know these things. It is definitely haunted. There's also a scene in there where the TV just went off. Now let me tell you something. People may say, oh, they must have been watching you. There's no, you talking to me. When I enter a room, okay, if you don't know, you're going to know now. When I enter a room, I scan the room. And I scan the people in the room. It's just me. It's what I do. Right? There are no cameras there. Not even peephole cameras. I highly doubt that I missed it. But I promise you, I didn't see any. Right? And when we first entered that room, we weren't the only ones in that room. When I started filming in that room where you see the TV screen and like the little fireplace, the only room in that place where there was AC and you can charge your phone, that screen. When I entered that room, there was a couple and a child. They were touring the place. And, you know, we said hello and stuff like that. And they were just looking at everything. And I think the male was charging his phone. He unplugged his phone and they walked out. Right? They were done touring. That film that was on that television was in the middle of the video. All right? Because the Hubs and I sat there for a while trying to cool off, because let me tell you something. That place was hot. There's no AC there. And it was a really hot day. So, as soon as I sat down, we were watching the video. And in the middle of the video, the entire television turns off. And then that's when I turned my phone up. I picked my camera up. I turned my camera on. And I started filming. Because I said, something's going to happen. It sure did. The television turned off. Then it came back on. Okay. Yep. And then it started the documentary from the beginning. Okay. That was another incident. Something else that occurred was, you can't see it from the video, but there's a picture in that video where there is it's a picture that I took where it has bars. It's like it was a long hallway, but it has bars, and I was standing in front of it and I just took a picture of it. And then there was a sign posted on the side of, you know, like on the wall, on the side of that wall, that cell hallway thing, right? And it said that that area had been in a lot of movies, and it listed all the movies, you know, that area was, you know, taken, filmed in whatever. And that people claimed that hallway was the hallway that had the most activity in the entire penitentiary. So they had it sealed off. I don't think because of that, because I'm pretty sure it was sealed off for our safety, because that area was decrepit. It was just like pieces of ceiling were falling off. You would see it on the floor. The walls are chipping. It's in really bad shape. So cut it out. Cats are fighting now. Cut it out. So, when you're looking at the picture on your right hand side, very close to the edge of the right hand side, right? There were cells on each side of that hallway. On the first cell, on your right hand side, they're fighting now. Sorry. There was, or I filmed, or whatever, but you can see that there was a shadow. Listen, I'm not making this up. Why? Halloween is over, okay? I'm just putting it out there. There was an apparition. I mean, well, I know it was an apparition, but there was a shadow that came out on the film. Okay. Okay, and the last thing that I clearly remember, you can't see it on the video that I uploaded. You can't see it in the video. But in Al Capone's cell, that cell that was, you know, all done up because that's how he had it. He had it like that back then, you know. As I was filming, there was a point in time where there was a white light that came up just like that, and it just disappeared. I'm not lying. It's there. I showed it to my entire family. My entire family was like, whoa, what is that? It's my family, and not everyone in my family believes, but they saw that. Let me tell you, and it's not dust. It's not dust, because I was standing in front of Al Capone's cell, okay, and there was no dust flying, I promise you. I know what dust particles look like. I do, okay? I have OCD. Hello, okay? It wasn't dust. There were no fans blowing anything because I told you it was hot as heck, right? And I was the only one there. So it wasn't like someone's lint or anything was flying. Nope. One white light flew in and out pretty quickly in that video. All right? Just want to put that out there. So, you know, I'm all into things like that. Not everyone is, but I am, and that was an orb. Anyway, okay, so I have a Grove haul. This is a really big Grove haul. Now, let me just tell you something. So, for those of you that are subscribed to Grove, you all know that everyone has like this, what is it called? This person that helps you choose your items and stuff like that from Grove. And you have the option of going into your Grove account every single month, right? And choosing the things that you want and putting them in your cart. I forgot to do that this month. So let me tell you something. Whatever they put in there, that's what's going to be shipped out. And I forgot to do that this month. So I have a little extra things. And I have no idea what's in this box. I opened it already. And I just, you know, scanned through the top, but I don't really know what's in this box. So we're going to go through this wonderful box together. Okay? So let's do this. Let me brighten this living room up a little bit, and we're gonna dive into this together. Okay. That's a lot better. Okay, can you see me? All right. So, another thing that I want to tell you, I still have my autumn stuff. I don't take my, and I've been enjoying all of the Christmas videos that are going up. Everyone is doing it up for the holiday now. Their Christmas trees and all their Christmas decor, you know, it's all coming out, and I'm really enjoying that because I'm getting a lot of great ideas. But I normally, it was Cat. I don't know. He's yelling at somebody. I have no idea. I normally leave my full decor up during Thanksgiving. I don't take it down till after Thanksgiving, because I like to have Thanksgiving with, you know, or spend that holiday with all of my full decor, because to me, those are the colors of Thanksgiving. So I don't ever, Cat just killed himself. I don't know what the heck is going on with these people, but because they are peoples. I don't ever have, like, you know, Christmas trees and stuff like that during Thanksgiving. It's just something that I don't like to do. So right after Thanksgiving, the Christmas stuff will come out and all of this decor will be gone. But so with that being said, for the Grove, I'm glad that, because I just saw one bottle and I thought that maybe they had put some of the, or they sent me some of the products for Christmas, you know, like those Christmas scents like peppermint and stuff like that, but they didn't, which I'm really glad, because I'm not ready for that yet. I'm not. So let's dive into this. Okay? This is what I have. Roll of tissue paper. Maybe the cats will have fun with this now and they'll calm down. All right. Oh, okay. So good. I needed one of these, and this is great because, you know, I rave about this antibacterial toilet cleaner. Love that. I'm happy about that. And that's in the scent Spearmint, right? Yep. Because I usually always choose that, and I always put that in my cart. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm happy that I received this because actually I was needing another one. This is the Caldrea. I'm so happy because I did need another one, but I wasn't really going to buy it, but you know, they sent it, so that makes me happy. Let me tell you something, people. That smells like, this is my favorite one though. Out of all of the Caldreas, this is absolutely my favorite, and this is in the Gilded Birch, Balsam Birch. I love that scent. Has like this masculine, clean scent. Love it. Okay, I also received another Bon Ami cleanser, which is good. I don't think I was really needing that, but okay. So this is a scent that they sent me, and I'm pretty happy. It's not my favorite, but you know, I got the orange clove. Let me see if I remember what this smells like. I'm not quite sure. Very orangey. It's all right because we still have Thanksgiving coming and the end of November. I'm sure these will be gone by November, so oh, sorry, that was a hand soap. It's one hand soap. I don't know how many hand soaps they sent me because I usually always purchase 3. I only see one there, but let's see. Okay, so these are the cotton swabs that I usually always buy. I wasn't really needing any, but it's okay. This is backup. And I love their cotton swabs. I really do. The Q-tips are really good. All right, so this is another orange clove. This is the dish soap. Pretty happy about that. Another dish soap. Same orange clove. So I have 2 dish soaps, which I normally buy 2 anyway. Oh, okay, and another hand soap. I think I only have 2 now, but it's all right. We'll put something else in one of the bathrooms. Bathroom soap hasn't finished here anyway, so we'll finish that up. This is great. My sponges, I like these for backup. Love them. I didn't think I needed another pack. I think I have one pack left, but that's okay. This I'm excited about because this is the last item. This is new. So this is a bar soap, and this is called Winter Woods. I don't think I've ever seen this before, but I'm pretty eager to try this. And you know that I like their soaps, but I usually get I think it's the sage and something, so I'm not quite sure, but oh, that smells nice. And this is why I like their soaps. You see the size of that? Look at that. Love it. This smells like pine and orange. Oh, well, look at that. What a big dum-dum. Of course it smells like pine and orange. What is that? Yeah, this smells really nice. It smells really refreshing. Like a nice soap that you can use in the morning, like to wake yourself up and get yourself going. This is really nice. I'm going to enjoy that. I'm happy about that. And that is it. That is all for Grow.